video. We are outside in the front yard in our nice little cute patio area. And today, well, right now, I am making some simple slime. It's not fluffy slime or anything, just normal slime. What you need is a bowl, a spoon, some hand soap, and salt, table salt. So what I'm gonna basically do is put in the soap. Soap doesn't want to come out. Yeah. I'm just gonna squeeze the soap in, you guys. Look how satisfying this looks, you guys. Okay. I just squeezed the whole bottle because there wasn't a lot in there. And that's how much slime I want. So yeah. Then,
hey, I want your plates back in the house when you're done with them, okay?
okay.
Thank you. Have fun.
It said put pinches of salt.
Hey, Marquitas, would you want to grow your hair out like 2 more inches so we could donate it to cancer kids that can't grow hair? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Do you want to keep it long for 2 more weeks and be like, hey, people will give you a hard time and be like, I'm donating cancer. Mm-hmm.
Bro.
Then we shave your head.
Don't shave his head, then it'll look like he has cancer.
Yeah, I want to keep it like this, but I want to put some more.
And it has to be 12 inches
we
to
have
donate.
to have 12 inches to donate to Lots of Love, according to Katie. But I will look up the regimen.
I've seen videos.
But
Okay.
I think if you want to cut your hair
So
short,
you add salt until it gets like unsticky
Mom?
and stuff, you guys?
Yeah.
What did you put in the mashed potatoes?
You don't like it?
You put too much sour cream.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
I did sour cream, butter, salt, and pepper like I normally do.
Ooh, I like that stuff.
I
think
like
you
I
used
normally
too
do.
much.
I'm sorry. I didn't mash them as much as I do either. I did them kind of chunky.
Chunky.
I'll eat it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Love you guys.
So you guys, I'm just stirring it. And then what you're supposed to do is put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna maybe add some bit more salt. It's making bubbles because it's soap. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put this in the fridge for 15 minutes. But let me show you what it looks like. It looks super pretty. Okay. So let's put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Yeah? I just want to see it. Okay, guys. So I just put it in the fridge. And Alexa has an alarm for 15 minutes. And we're going to play a game that we call...
Show and tell, I
No,
see.
it's... No.
Oh.
Play. We call it play. So basically, because this is like a little seating area in the front.
Since I really didn't do that good, myself with the popcorn.
So we sit over here, and then over in the grassy area, someone does like
Now.
a little play thing, and we watch.
Uh-huh.
Marquitos is going to do the play.
Just gonna.
I'm going to eat real quick.
Get the carrot.
These mashed potatoes taste weird.
Eat your
There's
veggies.
way too much sour
like
cream.
veggies.
Sour cream, no sour cream.
No. Give me my veggie back then.
Okay, guys, here's some salt.
Ow. Whee! She gets a pretty weird face sometimes.
I'm gonna make
no kitty, bad kitty, bad kitty. Bad kitty.
I'm gonna make a video after this. I'm possibly I'm gonna make a video after this one's uploaded and the other one
no,
is
bad
uploaded
kitty, bad kitty.
or something. But I have a it's fine. I have a school video idea which is gonna wanna be cool. Don't think I have the things though. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the thing.
He's doing it. Let's look. Oh, and you guys, if you hate it, instead of throwing tomatoes, you throw pine cones.
Yeah.
Like this one. It's my birthday. Oh, he's starting.
The dogs are in the house.
Okay. Alexa, how much minutes left?
You have one timer with about 9 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Want to see some skills, yos?
Dad! I'm gonna go get something.
Oh, hold on.
That's great. Hey, Marco, Dad. You need him? Go and
That's Dan.
speak like
Of my magic.
what's up.
You guys, I want to show you something super satisfying. Don't think that looks so cool?
That makes them good.
Look at the inside.
Sure.
It's so bubbly. What are you doing?
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Did you put it
I don't know. You guys tell me in the comment down below.
Who do you like better? The dogs or the cats? I like both.
So guys, the alarm went off. So let's check the slime. Okay guys, here's the slime. The spoon. I mean, it's sort of slime. Actually, I don't really know what slime actually feels like that much because I normally make fluffy slime. I think I need some more salt. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, guys. So it came out like a little runny, and I think I added too much salt because in the video that I watched, it said if you add too much salt, it'll be more runny. So I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut lime and stuff to it.
I feel like a witch.
I only added 2
Slimy
squirts.
witch.
Marquitos is stirring right now. I think he's struggling. So guys, let me show you what it looks like. It's that runny. So, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 2 more minutes, okay?
Starting now.
Okay, guys. So, I put it in the freezer for 2 minutes instead. And I'm gonna see if that helps better. Let's go watch some YouTube. Okay, guys. The alarm went off. So, let's check. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like now. It has little air bubbles. I'm gonna stir it. Okay, guys. So, I put that in for another 15 minutes because it didn't look really ready. So, I'm grabbing it out right now. Here it is. It's very cold. I'm going to stir it and see what it looks like. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like when I mix it. is what I look at. Like when I touch her. I think we can say it didn't come out super well, but I will leave it in the freezer overnight, see what it ends up like tomorrow. The good thing about it though is like if it gets all over your hands and stuff, you just rub it in your hands and wash your hands off with water, because it's basically literally soap. I don't know why. It's not working. Is this what normal slime looks like, you guys? I think it is. So, put me in the comments what if you think I did good, in the middle, or just full on bad. Hold on, let me get good lighting. Bye. Have a nice day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.